Hello friends, this is Abhilasha and you are welcome in my channel. In this class, we are going to learn how to convert active voice sentences into passive voice when it is future tense. Friends, if you want to know about passive voice sentences, please subscribe my channel and you can find the link in description box. You can find my previous video. In this class, we are going to learn how to convert active voice sentences into passive voice when it is future tense. Future tense means any action, any activity which is going to take place in future time frame. So friends, let's begin our session. First example of future simple tense, and it is also called future indefinite tense. I have first example is he will give you a gift. In passive voice, the subject will become object and object will become subject. Gift is object here, it will become subject in passive voice. And we always use the third form of the verb, and it is also called the past participle form of the verb. So here it is object, it will become subject. A gift will be given to you by him. Here he is subject, it will become object in passive voice. And we convert it into passive voice, we always use the word be in future tense. A gift will be given, it is the past participle form of the verb. A gift will be given to you by him. Let's see the next sentence. Future negative sentence. Shan will not invite her to the party. Here it is negative sentence and Shan will become object here. In passive voice, her, it will become she. And invited, it is the past participle form of the verb. She will not be invited to the party by Shan. Here it is in passive voice sentence. She will not be invited to the party by Shan. Let's move on others. The next I have future continuous tense. Friends, I am going to make a cake. Here it is the future continuous tense. I will become me. Make will become made. It is the third form, made. And cake, it is object here, it will become subject. The cake is going to be, we use the word be. The cake is going to be made by me. Let's see the next one. It is future perfect tense. In perfect tense, we always use the past participle form of the verb. They will have finished the project next month. They will have finished. It is the past participle form of the verb. We no need to change here. We always use the past participle form of the verb in passive voice. They will become them. The project will have been. We use the word been. It is future perfect tense. We always use the word been. The project is object here. It will become subject in passive voice. The project will have been finished by them by next month. So friends, it was the lesson of future tense. How to convert the active voice sentences into passive voice. So it brings me to the end of the lesson. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come soon with the next lesson. Till then, take care.